Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have got a fantastic topic for you if you are working with ASP.NET Core and Azure. We will be diving into the world of monitoring, a crucial aspect for maintaining the health of your application. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I'm gonna show you how to quickly start monitoring your ASP.NET Core application in Azure. Stick around and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Before we get started, let's talk about why monitoring is so important. It gives you a quick snapshot of your app's health and serves as a foundation for setting up alerts. It's not something to leave for the end. In fact, starting monitoring today can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Today we will be using OpenTelemetry, a popular framework, and the Azure Monitor OpenTelemetry distro. These tools allow us to effortlessly collect, process, and export telemetry data to Azure Monitor Application Insights. To follow along, here is what you will need: an Azure subscription and your existing ASP.NET Core application. In your Azure portal, locate Application Insight and start creating a new one. Application Insight. Click on the create. So definitely you need a Azure subscription. You can use Azure free subscription, or if you have one, you can use it here. Here I enter my resource group. I create a new one. My resource group name, my application insight, and I select one of these options, and then click on review and create. And the final step is hitting this button. Once it's done, grab the connection string from the overview blade. You will need that later. In the meantime, we will switch to our existing application, like Azure application, and we need to install the OpenTelemetry package in our application. So simply click on your application and then select Manage NuGet Packages. Here we need to install OpenTelemetry package. So simply we search for this package, Azure Monitor OpenTelemetry ASP.NET Core. We will install it. So once it's done, we need to register this package in the dependency injection part. So for this, you need to go to the program CS, and in services, you need to add builder dot services dot add OpenTelemetry dot use Azure Monitor. Once it's done, we need to configure our application to talk to Azure App Insight by providing the connection string user .NET Secret Manager. It's a quick and secure way for local development. For configuring secret on your application, you need to open terminal in your application directory and run this code .NET user secret init, and then you need also run this one, and here your connection string should be placed here, and then you can run it. So I will change this part with my connection string. So your connection string should be here. If you go to your Azure portal and go to your created application inside resource, so there is a connection string in this part. You can simply copy it and then paste it here. So so we are done with configuring our connection string. Surprisingly, there is nothing else to do. Start your application, hit a few endpoints, and give it a few minutes. Your application data will start showing up in Azure App Insight. We call these endpoints sometimes, and then we will check the Azure Insight to see what's the result. And we need to wait some minutes. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you have added monitoring to your ASP.NET Core application in Azure. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to more content. And if you have any questions or topic you would like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!